Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to open your Internet Explorer or whatever it is that you're using. I'm using Firefox here. I'm sure that the other ones work. You're going to type in kidblog.org, and then you're going to hit enter, and it's going to give you to this screen. Now, I can't show you how to actually set up an account because I already have one and it won't allow me to do it, but here's when you click on this for your free account. It's going to take you to this. So this would be your display name, Mrs. Logan, and then your password, whatever it is that you want to use as your password here. If I could type Logan right. You're going to put your email address here, and then here's where you're going to designate whether you want it to be Logan Homeroom or, social studies. It's only going to be your class showing anyway, so you don't necessarily have to designate it with using your name. And then you're going to hit create a class. Then, once it's done that, it probably sends you some kind of, email that confirms everything. You're going to go back to kidblog.org, and you're going to go into login over here. And it is on all of these screens. So if you were on that other screen, you could do it too. And I'll show you that again. This is login. It's right here. You're going to hit that, and you're going to type in your email address. And mine's already there, so I don't have to do that. And then if you have your class already set up, which is what you do when you sign up anyway, in this case I have actually 2 classes I've set up. These I'm pointing to are the URL addresses that you're going to give the students, so it takes them directly to the sign in page for logging into the Kid blog for your class. So we're going to not look at this one because that one has my students in it, but let's look at this one for the test class. So when I click on this, it actually takes me to this web page. It's designated. See the matching web address up here. Okay. And this is just kind of like a home page. There's no access to it at all. You'll notice that you can have, here I have set up 2 people actually are part of this class. They're listed here under the blog directory. So if I click on either one of them, so far no one's left any blogs, or if I want to look at Matt's blog, but he hasn't blogged either. The good news is that you think, oh, it's going to show his blog. It doesn't. You actually have to sign in and to see any of the blogs. So this is just like a generic web page before students can actually get in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in over here. You would go to this URL automatically. You don't have to do all those other things. You're going to hit log in here. And the cool thing is it takes you to this screen, which has all of the students' names. So right now I only have myself and Matt in there. So I'm going to hit myself, and I'm going to put my password in. It's already saved, and I'm going to hit log in. And then I am in the Kid blog that I have set up. Now, one thing to note, this looks exactly like the other screen you just saw. It's different, and you can tell because up here I have, it says my classes, I have a control panel, my name is listed. Those things weren't there before, so that's why I know I wasn't logged in. Now I know I'm logged in because all of this is now showing up at the top. So that's basically how you get into your class. The next video will be on how to add users to your roster so that you can start letting them blog.